CPLANET. You might have probably heard the news talks about crypto billions or crypto whales. Interestingly, most of these guys are normal people like you and me. They make money silently in the background while they are doing other things. The crypto business is hands down the most lucrative business. It is a unique business model that makes your money works for you while you sleep. Everyone wants to be financially independent. Working from home, enjoying the freedom to go anywhere in the world. And making it all happen with nothing than a laptop and an internet connection. But if you have ever tried to build an online passive business, you will know that it is not easy. If you want to rock your world with a crypto commission, click on the description of this video to get instant access. Subscribe to this channel. Smart software, share, like, and comment on this video.